slow-mo.
Right, alright. So then you put the cloth over and you chop off so that it's easy to
Are you doing a time lapse?
get hold of it. And then you just take hold of this bit here with your cloth so that you don't burn your fingers, and you just squeeze them off. So you squeeze it and it just takes the threads with it, so it comes out absolutely clean.
Brilliant.
Dad, Omar's
Look at
a
this, Grace.
genius. Ow, Abby, that really hurt.
Absolutely brilliant. And there's all your threads and everything
Yeah.
are in there.
Brilliant.
So I didn't quite cut enough off. You
No.
have to be able to cut enough off so that it can
Yeah.
easily go. And then it's actually ready to eat, so we could put some butter on it and you kids could eat if you want to.
Well, we thank Mrs. Beaton once more.